morning. Wow.
Hello everyone. I can already see folks super excited in the chat. Hi Sashrika, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, Vinayak. It's been a while, but I am so excited to be back here doing the daily because I think this is the best part of the day. Just starting with a whole bunch of things that we have in store, sharing it with everyone, and then I can already see that AI ML week is going in full throttle. So many amazing sessions. What do you think?
Yep, it's I guess it's been a very amazing week. I've gone through a lot of sessions which were happening. I also attended your session and I also had my session that was also on prompt engineering. So I saw folks super excited, learning new things, completing challenges. Folks are super active on Discord too. When we are having mini events, a lot of folks are turning up. So yep, I guess it's been a great week till now and we are only in day 3. So a lot of things coming up.
Absolutely, absolutely, and I couldn't agree with you more. I think seeing the progress that they've made since day one to till today, I'm amazed. And there are still a few more days to go. There are 5 more days for 4 more days for us to cover. A lot of content, a lot of different projects that we're going to build, and I'm super excited to see what everyone's going to make by the end of this week. It has been thrilling to see them do all of these projects and then also participate in mini events, have fun. It's been a super energizing week altogether.
Yeah. I guess we are already in day 3, but folks might have their favorite streams till now and the streams they're like looking for because we also have tracks which are happening throughout the week. There is part 1, part 2. So I guess you folks are already ready for the upcoming parts which are happening. So if you are specifically interested in something, you can drop that in the chat or any other stream which you have liked, mini events. Because this space, when we have these streams, it's all about what we have learned throughout the day, any streams which you have liked, any other coach which you want to see more doing streams. So yeah, that is how it works. But as Sashrika said, we should get into the things which will be up on day 3. So yeah, okay, I guess
Absolutely.
you're in.
Oh, am I? Can you hear me?
Yep, now good.
Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. I completely agree. And folks, if you have a favorite session that you absolutely loved, put that in the comment section right now. All of the sessions are recorded. So in case someone else missed it, please go ahead and revisit those sessions. It's absolutely incredible to see folks working through different projects. And so if you have a favorite, now is the time to put it in the comment section and we'll read a few out.
I guess someone just said they love the GeoGuessr mini event.
That's always a
So
crowd favorite.
that's a crowd favorite, that is for sure. But
Yeah.
yep, let's start with what's up for day 3. So to start up with, hey everyone, welcome back to another stream at Global Hack Week. I and Sashika will walk you through what will be there for day 3. As you said, welcome to day 3 of AI ML Week. It's time to introduce ourselves. Hey everyone, I am Vinayak Rawat. I'm a coach at Major League Hacking, and a fun fact about me that I just had a good 2 hours badminton court session. So yep, it's been lazy, but I'm currently lazy, but it's been super active day throughout. What's up with you, Sashrika?
Oh wow. I mean, I really admire the fact that you hit 2 hours in badminton court because I, for once, I don't think I can get out of bed on a Sunday. It's so hard for me to just do anything on a Sunday. It's so relaxing that I just can't. But I want to lead this active lifestyle when I for sure, for sure. Oh,
Oh,
sorry.
okay.
Yeah. All right. So yes, hi everyone. My name is Sashrika. Some of you have seen me in a few streams before, but for those of you who don't know me, I also am a coach at Major League Hacking. I primarily work in the EU region now. I was previously working with Vinayak in APAC, and now APAC is all up to him. I recently visited home as well. That's back in Delhi and in January, and I brought back with myself this cute Dev avocado that I absolutely love and adore, and it's sitting in my new apartment that I recently shifted to. And I think that this apartment lacked a lot of soft toys, so this is my interesting find that a friend gifted to me, and then this is something that I brought to London this time. I don't know if you love toys or if you try and name them, but for me, they're absolutely adorable. Oh wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think there's someone who loved your session as well, Vinayak.
Thanks, Kushi.
Okay, awesome. All right, so let's dive right into what we have for this day. Are you ready, Vinayak?
Super ready. Exactly. Let's see what's coming up for us.
All right, but before we go into that, a quick recap of things. We would love to know how was yesterday. I know that there were tons and tons of interesting scenes, and some of you loved Vinayak's stream and my stream. But we would love to hear from you. What was your favorite part of yesterday? Put that in the comment section, and then we will also go through with some of the interesting things that we found in the day. Vinayak, what was your favorite part about yesterday's streams?
Uh, I do not want to be biased. I just had a stream around prompt engineering yesterday,
Ah.
and I guess that is something which I learned a month back, and I really wanted to folks know more about prompt engineering. And the best part of throughout the sessions, it was a battle of prompts. I was
Oh.
writing a prompt, and even by the end of the session, it happened as I was writing a prompt, and someone in the comments wrote better prompts than me. And it was more like, okay, whatever I was trying to achieve in the stream, people were actually learning it, and they were suggesting new and new prompts. So that was the main aim of the stream. And yesterday also, one more thing which happened amazingly, we had a session on demensifying DevOps.
Mhm.
So what happened is we had a special guest Vishaka, and a very special thing for me was she's my senior.
Oh,
We
wow.
are from the same college. Yeah, so she's currently working in Google as a architect. So she had a good session on DevOps. So yesterday for me was very amazing. I had three sessions, mini event, then we had this, then a prompt engineering. So yeah, yesterday was very fun for me. What about you, Sashita?
Yeah, definitely. I feel like overall this was such a good session, like good session. This was day two, and I could see that there were so many advanced topics being discussed, and our community could keep up with all of them. So absolutely love that. I think personally for me, I am a little biased with my sessions as well, because not yesterday but day before yesterday, I think we had a part one session, and today we had like just a few hours before this stream, we had another session which was for building your first ML project, which was absolutely incredible. We worked with recognizing handwritten digits, which was an amazing topic. We used some tools, so that was incredible. And if I remember correctly, some folks in my session were also suggesting that there was and dimmer in UT session right before that, which was absolutely a delight to watch. I think UT talked about getting started with data visualization, and Dimmer had a session on implementing pathfinding AI in Godot Game Engine. So for me, I think these were the highlights of yesterday. But I do also know that there were some movement in Discord, and a lot of folks were sharing about it. Did you see all of those messages, Vinayak?
Yeah, specifically on Discord, I guess when I was having my mini event, after that, I had a chat with a few hackers. They were discussing around creating their first AIML game. I guess that was also a challenge for this Global Hack Week, and they were making the board games, like the cardboard games, which are available pre-installed on our systems. But they wanted to use the AI models which are available now to make it quick. And when I asked them, they said we completed it in a day or so. So it feels like folks are actually learning it super fast, and the streams are, and they said the streams are super helpful for them. They're learning a lot of basic things, and I also heard a good appreciation for UT sessions which are happening. So yep, yesterday was just amazing.
Absolutely, I agree. And I think someone also posted their uh, comment. Let me highlight that. They like, oh, it just covered my face. So I can't believe we're on day three. GHW is amazing, learning a lot. Data visualization, I'm now enjoying it. And the DevOps one was superb. So I think, Vinayak, that's just a quick shout out to your session with Vishaka. Everything is going well. If possible, may extend the GHW by another week. Oh my God. uh, so I think doing in another week might be too difficult. There's a lot of sessions packed within this week, but we do a global hack week every month. So you have something in store coming right next month.
Yep, I guess we have games week that is lined up next month. That is from 8th March or 14th March. You can go and register yourself. I can share the link in the chat. You can go and register, and just like this Global Hack Week, we have amazing sessions in all the Global Hack Weeks, and the Games Week will be more and more fun as we move forward. So you can go and register now.
Absolutely. And with that, yesterday was a blast. But moving on, let's talk about what's happening today. So if you want to have a look at the schedule, let me post this link as well in the chat. You can go to ghw.mlh.io/schedule to have a look at the schedule for today. But don't worry, we'll cover everything in detail in this live stream as well. So, are you all ready? put your comments in the comment section. Like, give us a cheer or something to show us that you are excited, as excited about day three as we are. Great. Let me also put. Okay, the link is already up on the slides. I'm just gonna pick up that. Great. I am ready to. How about you, Vinayak?
Let's see what's up for day three. I guess more and more superb sessions coming up.
Absolutely. Yes. So let's dive right in. So the first one is Azure SQL Database Basics. So if you haven't used this before, new file is starting with this session at 1 p.m. Eastern, 11:30 p.m. IST. This is a great session to get started with cloud if you're new to it. And if you are a pro already, you might learn something new because there is so much that you can do with databases. And this is a great session to just get started.
And next up, we have Stephen, who will be again share will be taking a session on share your data visualizations with Type A Part 2. As I said, we have a lot of track sessions that are happening throughout the week. So in case if you have missed the first part, it's available on YouTube and Twitch of Major League Hacking social servers. You can go and check that out. And for more, you should join Stephen at 3 p.m. Eastern Time and 1:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Again, if this is too late for you, don't worry. The sessions will be up. You will be learning around Type A, how it will be used in open source with the Python languages, and you can create full stack web applications around same. So if you are someone who is trying to work around making full stack web applications, make sure you join Stephen and also cover up part one if you have missed it.
For sure, for sure. And recapping things is absolutely important. Speaking of which, next up we have an introduction session. So the first one of its kind, introduction to NLP with David. This is happening at 5 p.m. Eastern or 3:30 a.m. IST. IST folks, this might be a little late for you. So if you can't join, as Vinayak rightly said, sessions are recorded. So don't worry. Please view them later at your own pace, at your own time. This session will help you to understand how things are working, how to interpret and generate human languages. So it would be a fun, jam-packed session with a lot of information in store. So yeah, gear up at 5 p.m. Eastern to join David.
Yep. Next up, we have Curry with your next AIML project. As I said, if you're looking to build your first AIML project, it's also a challenge for this week. Make sure you join Curry. You will be exploring the areas of project ideation, data strategies, and model implementation. And let me be very honest, when we talk about project ideation, it's very important when you're trying to learn new things around AIML, because if you have a good project idea and you have ideated it well, believe me, with the right set of technologies and learning, you will be able to make your application a bit faster. Otherwise, when you are diving into a project with a confused state, a lot of things can go bad, and ultimately you will leave your project in midway. So just to avoid that, learn amazing things from Curry. The session will be at 9 a.m. Eastern time and 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I
Amazing.
guess there should be an update here. It should be 7:30. Okay, that's correct. My bad. It's correct.
Okay. All good. All right.
Okay.
So the next one, we will also have some fun today with the No Light mini event. Dikshita is hosting it for us. If you haven't done a No Light mini event before, let me give you a brief. In this event, you will challenge your coding skills, your front end coding skills, but with the lights off. And with that, we mean you don't have a compiler, you don't have any help which a coding editor provides you to build this application. You'll be writing it just by muscle memory, like typing it down, or you can research a little bit to see how things are implemented, but mostly you'll be doing this on your own and you can't compile the code. So copying and pasting would only take you so far in this session, and once you submit it, what you find at the end of it is a total mystery. So join Dikshita at 11 a.m. Eastern and 9:30 p.m. or 9:30 p.m. IST for this fun-filled session.
I also remember a very fun incident around this. I had when I visited my first ever hackathon that was partnered up with Major League Hacking. No Light was my first mini event at a physical
Oh,
hackathon,
really?
and before that, I had no idea that hackathons are also hosted in a way that mini events are also happened, so that folks are engaged again and again. So No Light, if you haven't played No Light mini event, it's something you should definitely hop into. And Dikshita is an amazing person to be around with, like working around mini events. So you'll have a lot of fun there.
Perfect. Amazing.
And then we have Curry and Celsia that will be covering up all the things which will be happening on day 4 of Global Hack Week. just like me and Sashika are doing it for day 3. So make sure you join them at 12 p.m. Eastern time and 10:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, exactly 24 hours from now. And you will get to know all the details which will be happening on day 4 at Global Hack Week AIML Week.
Perfect.
And then,
That was a
yep,
lot.
that was a lot. And if you have any set of questions which you feel I and Sashika can answer, and are in our boundaries, we'll be there to help you out. Any questions regarding swags, challenges, sessions which are happening throughout the week, Global Hack Week, Games Week, which is happening next month. If you want to have any questions around that, we'll be there to answer. So just shoot your questions in the chat.
Or honestly, any questions in general. It's just a fun day for us, and it's a lot that you have to learn today. So if you have any questions whatsoever around, feel free to post those in. All right. I think we have one question. Do you want to take this, Vinayak? Are the challenges going to change today?
Yep, today's challenges are going to change. There are two type of challenges, that are today's challenges and the week-long challenges. You can visit here to check on today's challenges. They get updated time to time as we finish a day. So on the basis of that, when you submit those challenges, you will be earning points for yourself. So yeah, the challenges will be changed today.
Absolutely. Okay. Let's see if we have any more questions. Oh, so next question is, do we have to attend the Type I Part 1 workshop to attend today's Part 2? So I believe there would be like a very short recap for Type I session, but Part 1 had a bunch of information, and that was like the beginning of this part series. So if you have time, I would recommend just going back, checking out the recorded session, and like looking over the schedule, the contents of it for a bit, so that you are prepared for Part 2, and then you can continue your journey with the second part.
Uh, Next is, how many challenges points do I need in order to receive swags? So, if I have to put it very clear, for example, if you want to get a swag, if you have to just earn a basic swag, which includes a sticker pack or a postcard, make sure you have just checked into a single event, and make sure you have joined into MLH Discord server, because there you will need to update your address on hackpay.ac/address, completing all the challenges. And in case you want to earn bonus swag for yourself, that includes extra stickers from us, make sure you attend at least 5 Global Hack Week streams and complete challenges. There is not certain point, but make sure you at least check into 5 events, uh, visit 5 events, and then you will be liable to earn those stickers back. And I guess this I can also share the link for all the swags that will be up for this Global Hack Week. I guess this time we have character stickers. There will be a specific sticker pack, postcards, hexagon stickers. So a lot of things are there for you folks.
Perfect. Okay, I think, let me see if we have more questions. But I was actually going through some of the swag, some of the stars with stickers, postcards, and hex stickers, etc., that we have as swag for Global Hack Week, and it seems very, very cool. I think you folks are in for a treat because they seem so amazing and exclusive. I want one.
If you can just see the learn, build, and share sticker sheet, that is just amazing. I mean, the animations which are made specifically in learn, there is a dog on its owner's head, and they're actually watching a stream at MLH. So it's just super super good.
Yeah, yeah, it is so amazing. I mean, I really love this one. Perfect. All right, let's come back and see if we have any more questions. We just sidetracked a bit because when I hear swags, I'm all like, oh,
Nile asks, do we have any kind of participation certificate for Global Hack Weeks? I think no, because Global Hack Weeks is just you learn things, you complete challenges, and you earn it for yourself. And if I talk genuinely, when you are completing challenges, you are updating in your GitHub. That is automatically a certificate to the whole world, right? They can just visit your GitHub profile, check on the things which you have made. For example, if you have made your first AIML project and now you want to apply for an internship and you want to showcase that, your GitHub link is well enough, because there are less number of people who actually believes in certificate, but they will definitely believe on your GitHub link of the things which you have made. Sashika, if you want to add something.
No, I completely agree with you. I think proof of work goes a long way. And this entire week is just about building skills, learning new technologies, and then being comfortable with just learning anything in general. I can't stress how important it is to keep learning these new technologies, because I think the skill and the art of learning is what matters at the end of the day. Because technologies would be updating all the time, and then certificates would be obsolete by that point. So it's absolutely important that you learn this art of just continuing to be curious about things and then taking it from there.
Absolutely correct. Uh, okay, I guess we do have a question. This is my first MLH Global Hack Week. If I have to complete it, and I wanted to ask advice on how to find a team and complete this hackathon. Sashrika will have a lot of more points than me if she want to start this answer.
Yeah, sure. So, okay, so this if this is your first MLH event, first of all, welcome to the community. We are absolutely thrilled to have you join us. As you can see, that this is a very friendly community. So, if you have any questions throughout, and there aren't coaches around or MLHers around to help you, feel free to post a question in the chat in Discord, and they will be thrilled to help you through it. Right. The second thing, you are asking for advice on how to find a team, complete this hackathon. This is an entire hack week and celebration. You can do things, you can build things yourself and start it. And if you want to form a team, which I highly recommend, the best way is to post a message on Discord, see who's willing to pair up, and then form a team from there. Completing challenges together, I think, is the best way to go around. And if the let's say you want to learn a particular skill, that you want to get started with it, I think that's a great conversation starter. So put that in Discord server. Post, hey, I'm looking for someone to help me learn this technology, and I know this, and I can help you do that, etc. Great way to get just the conversation started and then form a team and work on things together. I think my first hackathon started the same way. I just asked someone that, okay, I have no idea how this particular piece of technology works. I have no idea how to build an application in that. Can you help me out? Can I be in your team? And promise I will learn and make something at the end of the hackathon, but just help me get started. And people are amazing. Hackers are absolutely incredible to just help you at this point. So, yeah, I think these are some of my tips. Vinayak, would you like to add something?
Uh, I guess you covered almost all the things. One more thing which you can do, if you think the friends which are in your circle are not updated with the hacker community or major league hacking, you can invite them to those streams. They can learn here, and I'm very sure when they learn, they will be definitely have this energy to take part in hackathons, and then you will not need to find a lot of people. But as Sashika said, Discord is a place where you will find amazing folks who are there to help in the community. If you want to form up a team in the upcoming hackathons, they're going to help you. If you want to know from the basics, they're going to help you. Make sure you take part in hacker hangouts. These hacker hangouts are a place where you connect with new folks from around the world, and just like you, they might be looking for a teammate. And in case you both are looking from the technology's perspective, the same thing, you might end up a team. So there is also always a possibility of making a new team, going to hackathons, spending time with this new friends, and this is an amazing field. So that will work for you. One more question we have: any coming hackathons I want to start participate with my knowledge I'll gain this week? Okay, I'm sharing a link. This link will give you access to all the hackathons that are happening in the season of 2024. Hackathons are regularly updated with all the hackathons which are partnered up with Major League Hacking. So you can go and visit, and you can check if any surrounding area around you is having a hackathon. And Discord is always a place where announcements are regularly made if there is a hackathon happening, if there is a digital hackathon happening or a physical hackathon. Since we are there in the post-COVID era, so almost now all the things are physical. You need to visit new cities and take part in hackathon with your friends. But this is a place where you can find the list of all hackathons.
Absolutely, yes. And I can see that the previous question about forming teams, I mean, you can see how helpful the community is. There are a lot of people who also want to form up a new team. So you might want to pair up with some of the folks that have mentioned here, or like just chat on Discord, post a message, and then get the conversation starting. I think that's a great way to go about this. Okay, awesome. Let's have a quick look to see if we have any more questions.
I'm just checking up above if we have missed any question, although, but I guess we have covered all those things.
I think by this time
Hmm.
everybody knows the drill. So you all are pros. You all already have the GHW thing covered and nailed down, and all you are doing here is just learning new skills each month. I feel this is so great. I honestly think that when I was in university and this was something that was happening each month, I would have leveled up so fast and so quickly. It was like this is beyond imagination. I'm so proud of you all for doing this month by month and for the entire week. It's absolutely incredible to see.
Absolutely correct. I guess every month you're learning new things. This is AIML week. Next month we have games week, so you'll be learning new technologies around Unity and making new games. So if you're leveling up yourself every month to month, at the end of your graduation you have tons of project and you will have chances to think which particular direction I want to go and explore in which particular tech stack. And this global hack weeks will definitely help you there.
For sure. I think these are even better than the hackathons that I visited because for that you're just working on one project for 48 hours. In this entire week, you're leveling up each day and then building projects on the side. So that's actually, I think, my favorite part about being at a global happy. Sorry, I'm biased, but
Correct. We'll check up on more questions if we have. Also, one more thing. If you think you're not getting a question now, and once we end the stream, you get a question, Discord is a place you can go. You can raise a ticket. Someone from the Major League Hacking community team will definitely reach out to you. Will solve your query. So you do not need to take a worry in case I and Sashika go off the stream and you will not be able to ask your questions. There will be always someone to help you out. And if not us, anyone from the community will be there to help you out. So just do not worry and have a very good fun in Global Hack Week, AIML Week.
absolutely. I think we have one question here. Folks are asking which university are you from, Vinayak?
I have recently graduated in 2023 from Bhilai Institute of Technology, Durg.
Awesome, amazing. And I graduated in 2021 from IGDQW. I'm not sure if you've heard of it, but yeah, I think it was a great time. University was a great time.
Yep. If you're in the APAC region, you definitely know about that college. One of the premier institutions in India. So
Wow, I'm glad
uh,
to hear you say that because I think when I was in union in my first year, not everybody knew about that uni, and oh god, I am so glad that the situation is now totally changed, and yeah, super excited for what's gonna happen next for IG.
yeah, everyone is. If you're on Twitter, there is a tech Twitter circle, and you will find a good percentage of people from IGTTW. So it's been an amazing college. Few of my friends are there from that college too. So and they are doing great. So it's just like it's a very good circle, positive circle from that college.
Super proud, super proud. Okay, we have another question. What is happening here? We are celebrating Global Hack Week. This is an AI ML special week. There are tons and tons of sessions that you can find to level up. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're joining the stream for the first time, I think I can also share the schedule link. There you go. This link you can go to find the challenges, and you can also find the schedule here. So if you have missed the stream, all of these are recorded. So just go ahead and visit them back, and then any of these links you can visit to check out what's in store for today. Anything you'd like to add here, Vinayak?
Yep, I guess all the things are covered. In case you miss anything, Discord is a place to go. The schedule link will take up you to all the sessions which are happening on day three, and you can also check out the sessions which are happened on day one and day two. You can just click on that, and you can just visit YouTube or Twitch to review that particular session which has already happened. If you want to just go and have a recap on those sessions. So yeah, that is how it works. Hmm.
Right.
Okay, we love you coaches for the energy and support. Let's keep up the ball rolling and folks who want to keep up, let's team up. I guess, yep, coaches are someone who you will find with a lot of energy. Before the stream, we are dull, but once the stream starts, we are just the most energetic persons on the earth, and we are just energetic because of you folks. You have been the constant support in this hacker community. You are the reasons. You are the reason that we are super active because we want to make it count up for you.
Absolutely. And I think that it's definitely a great vibe to be here up on stream chatting with you all, learning more about how your day has been. I mean, who else is gonna hear about my avocado story, right? So it's a great place to be in. And I love you folks, love you all for just doing what you're doing with this entire week full of opportunities. So that's absolutely great to see.
Yep. And I also have one more thing to show since we are talking about avocados.
Uh-huh. Oh wow. I think
So
when I
one of my friends recently gifted me this. It's a
that is so
panda avocado. So
Oh God, I absolutely love this. This is so cute. Oh, I want one for myself. Vinay,
yeah.
I'm gonna
So
steal that from
I
you the
guess
next
my
time.
friend knew.
That is
It's
so
just
cute.
perfect because it has a cap of an avocado and it also holds the avocado, but it's a panda with blue eyes. So it's been a good time with softwares for me now. So it's super good.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I think I'm gonna steal that for you next time. Delhi because or Bangalore, because I think I absolutely this is my new craze at this point. I think there was a time when we were crazy about Lahaj the shark, and now it's all about
Yep,
avocado.
avocados.
Okay, awesome. All right, folks, if we missed your question because we were just chatting on random things, don't worry, post them in again and we will get to it. And as Vinayak already mentioned, in case we miss your question entirely in the stream, don't worry. There's always Discord where you can post your questions, and folks would be very active and very supportive to help you get the right answer to it.
Yep. And since we have do not have more questions, I guess Kushi says, "Love your avocado stories. I need a penguin soft toy." I hope you get a penguin that holds the avocado. That will make it more special.
For sure. Yeah. But I think with pandas holding avocados, penguin holding avocados, we are on the right track here. Very healthy. Very great. I love that. Love to see it. I'm going to start an entire thing or an entire trend in this stream of for avocados. And then everyone supporting avocados is joining Team Sashrika from this point forth.
Yep, yep, that's super things. Yep, I guess we do not have any more questions, folks. I and Sashika will take a break because we want to give you a time before the next stream start. That is scheduled to start in the next 20 minutes. So we'll give you some break. Get off the screen. If you haven't had food, have your food, and get ready for Azure session that will be taken up by Newfield. That is scheduled to start just 20 minutes from now and have fun, most importantly. Sashika, if you want to add up something.
Absolutely. No, I think you covered everything. Go take a walk, folks. Stretch your legs. Exercise is absolutely important. Drink water, stay hydrated, and take breaks often because this entire week has a lot of things happening, and it might you might feel that you have to cover everything, but don't feel too overwhelmed. Take this one at a time. Take enough breaks. Take care of your health, and we hope you have a great day three.
And I guess I have to say a bit sorry because everyone is saying the Azure session has been postponed. So I might have missed the Discord announcement.
Mhm.
So for the next session, which will be happening, get yourself a break, have your food, and things will be updated over Discord. So you will have a platform to get all the information.
For sure, for sure. Yes. Again, stay updated on Discord because I think that's where you'll find the most up to date information. Even if like some sessions, sometimes some due to some technical difficulties, sessions get postponed a bit, but all the right information would be up on Discord, and you will get an announcement. So make sure you have the notifications on, and yeah, see you at the next session.
Bye everyone.